Hi guys, this is our controlled assessment practice plus something else at the end as a surprise for you, a great surprise. You know the score on these, we did loads of these obviously in Unit 1, so you know what we're doing, and we've already done the one for 1.1 which was fab. I think I've said that on Teams, I think. Okay, just follow what you have to do. It's so important that you can follow the instructions. So, just to remind you about Unit 3, okay, exactly the same as Unit 1. Obviously, we have no idea when it's going to be. There are going to be new briefs coming out, which were supposed to be out 4 or 5 days ago, but they haven't been sent to us yet. So we're still a bit unsure of tasks and how many of things that has to be done. But when we know, we will be able to share with you the mark scheme and stuff, so you'll know. So what, as you can tell, 1.2 is well, it's a big assessment criteria. We've done quite a few things, and it's worth 20 marks in your Unit 3. So in the real one, you'd have an hour and 25 minutes to complete whatever task they kind of set you linked to this criteria. So that's a big bit of work. So the ones currently, as I speak, I've read 3 or 4 people's work through. And it's just getting that detail and being able to elaborate on it with your examples is going to be really important. So this is the kind of mark scheme, and as always, I like to focus on the bits that are going to get all the as many marks as possible. My amazing highlighting skill. Yes, I've been practicing. Can you tell? Yes. Oh, I don't know what voice that was. It's my Snape one. So, clear and detailed assessment is made of a wide range of investigative techniques. We're basing it on usefulness of. So, for this practice, you can give yourself 25 minutes to write up 2 of the techniques you've researched. You can choose any 2, so which ones you think you can do the usefulness as well as you can. Okay, you obviously can use your notes, but it needs to be written in full sentences. None is bullet point rubbish. Okay, full sentences using your cases to help explain everything. Okay. So on a new document, okay, assess the usefulness of investigative techniques in criminal investigations. So there are 5 things you need to be doing for each of them. So describe the technique, reasons why the technique is useful, why is it not useful, and the case to help demonstrate one of your usefulness points. Some of you in the last assessment practice were really good. You were linking in when you're doing a limitation of the database is this, and you're chucking in the case there to prove it. Okay, which was really good. So if you want to do that then, instead of just doing it at a separate point, that'd be great, but it's up to you. It just flows a bit more easy. Okay, and then a really decent conclusion, chunky thing. Okay, not chunky, but chunky. Okay, to kind of say if it's kind of useful or not. You got 25 minutes. Get that done. Okay, when you're ready. Okay, so remember those 5 things. So do your assessment and then click. So just like last time, can you copy and paste this table? I will put it onto an email or on Teams and tick what you think you've done. That is so helpful to see if you could assess yourself well, because that's what you need to be able to do in the well, for future stuff, but obviously in the assessment as well. You need to be able to read your work and check that you've done everything that is needed. Okay. So copy and paste that in and tick it, cross it in different phases. Very imaginative, some of you, with what you did. Okay. So add it to the end and upload it to Teams, please. So when I'm marking this, we'll do the green and the red stuff. Most of you were greens last time. Like I said, really good. You've done everything. So I'll kind of go for this and then obviously give you some kind of comment on the quality as well. But like I say, keep explaining things. Okay, rightfully. Really important for your second year work for this. Okay, so I'll mark that and get it back to you as quickly as I can. Okay, right. I don't know if you can read. Warning, R-rated content. Okay, so the idea is everything we've been doing so far has been, it's all real. And there's a really good documentary I'd like you to watch with some questions, showing how these techniques have been used. Okay, but the documentary is quite graphic. There's pictures, shows dead bodies, videos dead bodies with lots of blood. There's also a murder and suicide theme. So if you are at all sensitive to any of this, please don't watch it. I'm not making you watch it. I can't. This is very useful, but it's not like life threatening if you would rather not do it because these things are too sensitive to you. Okay, but like I say, it's good to see how it's really used. Okay. Also, where to find it? It's on ClickView, which you should have an icon on Moodle, but there is a link here as well. Okay, so click on the link. It might ask you to sign in, and then if you click on the link again, it should go straight to it. I think. Start 1 minute 36. I will attach the questions for this on a handout onto both email and on Teams. Get that done. Add it to your file. Okay, you should really enjoy it. Those of you who are able to watch it. Okay. Next week is 1.3. Which is different types of evidence. So we're going to look at physical evidence and testimonial evidence, and kind of like what it is, how do we do it. Okay, a fairly short one, only going to be the 3 lessons, with another assessment practice at the end of the week, and then obviously the following week, those of us who can enable, we will I'll see you all. Yay. I'll talk more about that next week, but if you have any questions about anything, just yell, as always, okay? Hope you're good. I'm videoing this as it's raining, boo. So hopefully the sun comes back out again, so we can get outside a bit more. Okay, and I hope you're well. Keep safe. Cheers, guys. Bye.